Right, I've had this new brush come through from CJP. It's called the CJP Queenie, and it's, as you can see, it's quite a large brush. It's got a lot of hair in the length, so it's going to hold a lot of liquid. And if you like to put your acrylic on in less beads, then this is the ideal brush for you. So basically, let's just wet my brush all the way through, get it nice and wet. Take it off the tip, go into here and just pick up till you get a decent amount on the brush. Tip the finger down so it doesn't run back up to the cuticle, and then I'm just going to just pull it down the nail. Don't let it go over the edges, just stroke it down the nail. Because of the size of the brush, it kind of does a lot of the work for you. And if I was doing an ombre, I'd already have my ombre already. So I could have picked a bigger bead up and put it on in one bead, but quite often I like to work with two. So I'm just going to tap that out, just bringing it forward. Don't let it go over the edges, and just pull that down onto the nail. So, and it gives such a smooth finish. So the way I applied that at the back there, it's already built my arch for me, so that's absolutely brilliant. So I'm just going to go to the tip, just tap that out with the very tip of the brush. It's so soft and malleable, this tip of the brush, that it just makes the job so easy. Wow, that's such an easy brush to use. Can't believe it. There we are, that's our nail. Sometimes I'll throw some clear over that, particularly if I was doing an ombre. I would have to encapsulate that in clear. So I'll just get some clearish here. Just pick up, place that near to the back, and then just drag down the whole nail. And because the brush is so big and wide, it just gives such a smooth finish over the nail, which I think is amazing. But what's important is when you put that first bead on, just tip it forward so that there's no run back up to the cuticle. And that's it, the Queenie brush.